Ronny!
Oh, mate, someone's been here.
It's locked, isn't it?
All this has changed. The track's different.
Taken to hospital and she thinks he might have died. Oh, this is absolutely heartbreaking. There's a dove.
No.
There's a dove in that top one there.
They are in here. Where's Ronny? So the power's still on. Ronny's missing. All the classic cars are gone.
Do you reckon we're going to get through that? Yeah, easy. What's it, about half a foot deep? There's a van behind me. If the van's going to do it, I'm going to do it. We're going to
Drive through the water.
made it.
Go on, bro. What's good, adventurers? So, everybody wanted to know what happened to Ronny. So, we've come back to go and see Ronny, and look what's happened here. Check out Bearded Explorer. There's been an accident around here.
Mobile car mechanic, I am.
That's that water we went through. It didn't quite turn out as simple as what it looked. Everyone's getting chased by the geese. We're late to see Ronny. We need to find out. Right, listen, this bit of info. All of his cars have been seen for sale on eBay. So, and we know that Ronny doesn't even use the internet. We need to go and see him. As long as someone's given him a good amount of money for these cars and taking them, that's fine. We'll have to see what happens. So get this car fixed and we'll get back on the road and we'll go find Ronny.
Okay, that's interesting. There's a date there.
This is a proper investigation going on here. What, you think they haven't took the cars out this way?
It's in the bin, there's a rock on top of it.
Yeah, apparently he got stuck here for hours. Fell over, Ronny.
Really?
Yeah, he's that messed up, man, that he can't get himself off the floor.
Fucking hell.
Damn, it has gone.
All the American cars are
Oh, what? Man, this is crazy.
That's the Peugeot now,
No way. So, when we came here last time, do you remember there was like a crazy car? It had a pistol case in it. He said it was the governor's of New York. And he put an Egyptian thing on top. And now look. Gone. Look at this Egyptian thing. Egyptian. We're just about to find out, adventurers. It feels like someone might have bought this land off him. This ain't Ronny's anymore. The electric's still on. That's where his pigeons are. Please be here, Ronny.
Normally there'd be a cat running around, wouldn't there? No, he has got a cat.
Mate, I can't even hear any pigeons.
No, I know. Ronny!
Oh, God. Mate, someone's been here.
It's locked, isn't it?
All this has changed. The track's different.
I know. I don't think he's in.
I don't think he lives here.
Let's go and see if the pigeons are still.
Yeah, I know. Well, the electric's still on, but
Yeah, the power is still on.
God, fuck. Oh my God, mate, the pigeons are dying on the floor.
Oh no.
Damn, bro. Damn, this pigeon's dying. Where the hell is Ronny? They are in here. Where's Ronny? What the hell? Oh, They're all coming because they're starving, man.
Yeah, look.
Damn.
Yeah,
You're meant to feed
they're
them.
starving.
Oh, it's a rat, bro.
Oh no.
Did you see him?
Yeah, I did. Where does he normally feed them? Where's their food?
Not sure, man. What the
Yeah,
hell?
they are hungry. They need.
Damn. This is bad.
Right, okay.
We got to open it. Whoa! What has happened? Where is Ronnie? So the power's still on. Ronnie's missing. All the classic cars are gone. You find it weird that every single classic's gone.
And all the rest of them
Yeah.
just been left.
Yeah. I don't want to try his front door. I have to try and open it.
I mean, Colin knocked on the door, but no reply.
Yeah, I'll try and open it. Damn, look at the state of it in there. Oh my god, have you seen how bad it is?
No.
It's locked.
Damn, it's terrible. And that's how he was living though. Well, the electric's on. The pigeons are all still in there. We don't know if someone's looking after it. There is obvious marks of recent cars or vans coming in here. All the classic cars are gone. And Ronnie.
So apparently,
Yeah.
Oh, did you knock on the door?
yeah, Ronnie had a fall, taken to hospital, and she thinks he might have died. I said, "What's happened with the cars?" And she says, "We don't know. It might be the power of attorney. Whoever was looking after the place may have. But I mean, what right have they got, really?
Depends if
No.
it depends on who's his next of kin.
Yeah,
Do you think he's either passed away or he's been taken into care?
I don't know.
They
Problem
would
is
have.
now
They
I've
would
got
have took
no-
him into care, wouldn't they? If he
Yeah,
had,
if they see, especially the state of it, social services would be all over it.
yeah. I hope they did.
I mean, the only thing we can do now is
But he never came back from hospital.
no. I mean, the
Thing
only thing we
is-
could do is maybe phone the number that's on eBay, and
If paramedics turned up to here and see the way Ronnie was living, they have a duty of care to put him into social services, because they'll see him as, I mean, what? Didn't you say that he's had a fall before? And he's
Yeah.
been
yeah.
so if that's his second fall and it's on record,
Right, so this is the listing which is on eBay for the Packard Clipper, which was obviously parked up the end there with the wheels missing. Now you can see here that the wheels are actually on the car. The car's been cleaned. It looks nice, you know. It's advertised for £8,000, but there is a phone number here, so we could phone this number
Yeah.
and then speak to the guy and say, look, how did you acquire these cars? Do you know the full story of what's happened here?
Yeah.
Should we give it a call? But look at the mess they made in the caravan. They
Whoa.
literally like reversed into it.
Oh my word, they
Or
have.
crashed into the side of it. I mean, that wasn't like that the last
No,
time.
it
I mean,
wasn't,
The whole
no.
thing's twisted, though. You can see here,
It's been
it's
turned.
parallel there, but this has all been shunted over.
Yeah, that was over there.
Yeah, yeah, you can see where it's moved.
Wow. That's a dead rabbit, man.
Is it?
Yeah, well, just its skin left.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
this is too straight into my
they're
head.
starving though. Look, they
Yeah,
don't
they
normally
are.
do this.
Look, I'm not being funny, but if these birds could get out,
Whoa!
it just flew straight into your head.
Right into my head, bro. Oh my god. I know. What, is this even birdseed? No. They know it's some type of. What can we
I
feed
think
it?
it's bedding, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah, that's bedding, you know. I mean, just look at this, guys. Look. How can we leave these birds like this? We can't. It's cruel.
It is cruel.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, well, this is insane. But these pigeons need feeding.
Yes, they can.
See, they can get out,
They can get out.
but they can't
that's-
eat. He's looked after them the whole time.
So the birds can actually get out of here, which is good. So they're not trapped, which is what I was worried about.
What's all this stuff?
Look at the poo on the top here. Look.
Oh my god.
It's unbelievable. I mean, poor Ronnie was.
Where's the food for him? Where's all this stuff? Got all this old woodwork under there. They were actually slamming into my head. I can't find any food anywhere, man.
I mean, this is a fire hazard, surely, isn't it? All the power being left on like this. Look at all the extension leads. Look, these pigeons are following us, mate.
Yeah, I know. They're really starving. I don't know. I can't find any seed anywhere.
No.
Ah! It's landed on my arm.
Look, all the feeders are empty.
No way.
All of the feeders are completely bone dry. Oh, there's a.
Are they empty? Damn, it reeks even worse up here. I think they're following us like mental.
Yeah. Literally. All over us. There is. This is terrible.
They're not dead ones, is
Yeah,
it?
there is
Trapped.
a cage is trapped.
Oh mate, what has he done?
Oh, this is absolutely heartbreaking. There's a dove.
No.
There's a dove in that top one there.
No.
There's eggs. Oh, this is absolutely.
No. All these pigeons need to leave here as well. You're not going to get fed. You're going to have to start living. See? They're angry, bro. They're angry. They're flying into us because we won't feed them. Oh! What? They're in full attack mode now. Damn, Ronnie. So this is crazy. We can't find Ronnie. The pigeons look like they're dying. Found a few more cars like off of Ronnie's land, but it just feels like things aren't adding up.
Like I said, it's locked, so. It's really fine. Yeah, I looked at that. I tried pulling it, but.
So you can see the pigeons here.
There you go. Wow. Oh, baby's dump valve. Yeah, front mount intercooler. Green stuff air filter looks fucking knackered.
Oh, it's got a mini engine in the back of it.
That's it? Oh wow. Whoa, look at the exhaust.
Well, so the father's a cherry bomb.
That's pretty crazy,
Yeah,
eh?
it's quite a desirable little thing, that.
What a proper fucking shot.
All their stuff's still in there.
That's what I mean. It's just. It's like they've had a prank. It's here, and then that's it. I mean, there's like money on the floor, and it's only a couple of pence, but.
Well, that reeks.
Yeah, 2-stroke.
Right, adventurers, there's not much more we can do. We're going to jump back in the car. We found the listings on eBay for these classic cars that have gone missing. Stuff is not adding up. But what we're going to do is we're going to ring the guy that's selling them, because it's just not right. So we're going to wrap up here and I'll bring you back when we're in the car. Cool.
Ronnie's car over in the back.
Yeah, see, this was Ronnie's car.
Yeah, has it got that little Egyptian lady on the front?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look,
Yeah, he put that on there
Yeah.
himself.
that's Ronnie's.
I would just inquire about one.
Just one car.
Yeah, yeah.
Because if you start
Make it
doing
less
about
obvious.
all of them, it just seemed a little bit odd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi there. I'm just phoning up about the Chrysler Windsor which you've got for sale on eBay.
Oh, right, yeah.
How long have you had the car for?
Week.
A week.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know any previous history on it? Where it came from, or?
Yeah, I know exactly where it came from. I bought it from a company that was handling a man's affairs, but he had that and 6 other cars.
Yeah.
He left them all outside. A couple of the others were restored. He left them all outside, and he was living in a caravan where they were.
Yeah.
American motorhome, and he fell down in the yard. He was 80. He fell down in the yard, and rats started eating his toes.
Really?
Yeah, and then he went into hospital, and he's got COVID, and he's still surviving. But I dealt with the people handling his affairs, because he's going to have to go in a home when he comes out, and they had to get the money together to put him in a home.
Right. Okay.
I can't ask him any questions about it, because he's not in a position to answer any questions.
Right. Okay.
He bought 6 cars in 1996, and he left them all outside. A couple of them, one of them's worth £100,000. He left that outside.
Wow. Okay.
legit, though.
Well, that to me sounds pretty much legit. I think that's probably what's happened. So, as nasty as that is, the rats were eating his toes. That's a little
Wow.
bit, yeah.
That's-
But if Ronnie is still alive, then I'm going to try my damn hardest to get back in contact with him and speak to him, because he was a good friend of mine. He was one of the nicest guys I've ever met, and I feel that I owe it to him to reach out to him and try and get back in contact with him. So stay tuned, guys, and hopefully you're going to hear more of Ronnie very soon.